Okay, here we are. We just ran a load. This is James Hallman. And the light's green, so it just finished. We did the extra dry. Like I said last week, the plastic wear does not seem to get fully dry, does it?
Yeah.
But the bowls, that's fully dry. So the porcelain, is that dry?
Yeah.
That's dry. Now, anytime there's a lip, obviously it catches the water, you know, but come back here. Is that dry?
Yeah.
That's dry. How hot is it?
It's like not that hot. It's like medium level. It's a good
But it's
temperature.
hot. Just finished about 5 minutes ago. Again, the plastic or rubber. Plastic and rubber doesn't seem to dry well. But glassware, here, let's get some more. Let's see what else we got here. Let's go down here. Okay, so, again, the rubber. But then, look in there.
The whole other part is
Dry. Look at this one. It's as dry as it gets. What about all the metal? Look at it.
It's all dry. Yeah.
All the silverware.
All dry.
Completely dry. Completely dry. So, you know, you gotta use jet dry. Let's look at this. Look at the glass. It's completely dry.
Completely dry.
Now this here, this is a coffee cup that it's dry, but there's condensation in between the glass. That's a different deal. And then, you know, you have a couple little drops here. This is for our Travola oven.
Dry.
Dry. Now let's look at the cutting board. This is plastic. Plastic doesn't get completely dry, does it? Okay. So, I mean, I'll continue testing this. I'll do a load later with just wine glasses. Thanks for watching.